The new 2025 tax book just dropped on July 4th, and it's a monster. I spent the last 72 hours breaking this whole thing down. Here's what I found. It can either put thousands back into your bank account or quietly cost you more than you ever realized. If you're a business owner or a high income earner, learning about this is not optional. You need to understand what's changed and how you can use it to your advantage. So here's what I'm going to do for you. I'll walk you through the top changes that affect you in under 10 minutes. And if you stick to the end, I'll show you how you can legally cut your IRS tax bill before the year even ends. Deductions just got a lot juicier. Let's talk about QBI, Qualified Business Income. Sounds boring, but for LLCs, corporations, and sole proprietorships, it's the difference between average and wealthy. The new income limit to qualify for joint filers is now $150,000, and the new income limit to qualify for single filers is now $75,000. What this means is that more business owners can qualify. And even if you barely make $1,000 in qualified business income, you can now get a guaranteed $400 deduction. That's a win. But make sure not to sleep on the change to business interest deduction. Starting in 2026, every dollar you pay in interest, you can't write off that year. Instead, you'll capitalize it. What that means is that you'll pay now, but you'll deduct slowly over the years to come. This is a huge cash flow shift, especially if you borrow money to grow your business. This hits you especially hard. Real credits equal real money. Credits are where the fun begins. The employer provided child care credit is now doubled. And if you happen to be adopting that year, the adoption credit is now refundable. We're not just talking deductions, we're talking about real money back into your account. But here's the trick. You can't wait till the end of the year to plan this. You need to set this up before the year ends. That means you have to plan now and not during the tax season where your options disappear. Next is something that no one's ready for. AI audits are here and they're brutal. The IRS isn't looking for red flags anymore, they're looking for patterns. If your deductions look off compared to industry averages, you're getting flagged. What that means is wild swings in write-offs, unexplained income dips, or late filings are now algorithm bait. What's the solution? Make sure to benchmark your returns. Document everything and stay consistent. Or in the event of an audit, make sure you're ready to explain with proof and receipts. Next is the entity structure trap. Most business owners are leaking money all year round because they chose the wrong entity structure during tax time. One of my clients made $150,000, and that sounds good, right? However, he was a sole proprietorship, which means he paid over $22,000 in self-employment tax that year alone. We ended up switching him to an S-Corp, gave him a salary, and planned out his distributions. That change alone saved him $10,000 in taxes he would have paid otherwise, just by switching how he filed. You have until March 15th to fix how you're filing. If you wait any longer than that, you'll bleed money for the rest of the year. Waiting costs you too much money. Look, you can't wait till tax season to see what happened. The most powerful tax moves that you can make expire before December 31st. Things like bonus depreciation and S-Corp elections. Wait too long and it's game over for you. You'll owe more money and you'll have fewer options to make at the end of the year. Planning isn't just a luxury, it's your protection. Strategic planning equals wealth building. Here's the truth. Every tax move that you make doesn't just save you in taxes. It's to build your wealth. All the money that you can save with tax planning, you can use to reinvest. That's how one of my clients bought a rental property just with his tax savings alone. Real wealth equals real leverage, which equals real freedom. And because you've stuck with me till the end, here's the deal. I'm opening 5 free tax assessments this week. Normally they're around $2,500 per assessment, but for the first 5 people that comment down below the word tax, you'll get it for free. We'll audit your last 2 years, forecast your 2025 IRS tax liability, and build you a strategy catered to your financial situation. Remember, this is first come, first serve, so make sure you're one of the first 5 people to comment down below the word tax, and I'll reach out to you. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. My name is Anthony. I've been a taxpayer for the last 4.5 years, and I'm currently studying to get my EA, and I'll see you next video.